Mauryan Administration. In the previous videos, you have seen the Asoka's Kalinga War, etc. The expectations of the Dhamma of Asoka can be obtained from the after effects of the Kalinga War. Now let us look into the administration of Mauryans. The main source of the information for the Mauryan administration is from one, Chanakya's Arthashastra, and the second one is Megasthanes' book of the Indica. The central government, Mauryan administration was highly centralized. The king was the supreme power and source of all authority. The king was assisted by the council of ministers called the Mantriparishad. The ministers were called the Mantris. The Mantriparishad headed by a Mantriparishad Adhyakshas compared to the present Prime Minister of India. The highest category of officials are called Tirthas. There were 18 Tirthas in the Mauryan Empire. The next rank to the Tirthas are called the Adhyakshas. There were 20 Adhyakshas in Mauryan Empire, and they are looked after the economic and military aspects in the administration. The next to the Adhyakshas are Mahamatras. The officials next to the Mahamatras are called the Amartyas. They are like present day secretaries of the secretariat administration in India. They have administrative and judicial roles. Adhyakshas were formed into a secretariat which was divided into many departments. According to Arthashastra, it is mentioned in it there are number of Adhyakshas for different wings of administration. That is for commerce, storehouses, gold, ships, agriculture, cows, houses, cities, and chariots, mint and infantry, etc. Subordinate officers are responsible for revenue are called yuktas. The officers in charge of land measurement and boundary fixing are called rajukas. The superintendent of mint are called Sanstha Adhyakshas. The superintendent of markets are called Sant Adhyakshas. The superintendent of ships are called Nava Adhyakshas. The superintendent of iron are called Loha Adhyakshas. The superintendent of weights and measures are called Pautha Adhyakshas. The superintendent of mines are called Akara Adhyakshas. The judicial officers are called Vyavaharika Mahamatta. Public relation officers are called Puli Sanji. Registration of births, deaths, foreigners, industries, trade, manufacture and sale of goods, sales tax collection, all are under the central administrative control of the Mauryan Empire. Mauryan administration, under which we look at the local administration. The smallest unit of administration in Mauryan Empire is the village. The head of the village is called Gramika. The village is almost all enjoying the autonomy in all aspects. The district magistrate or the governor of the province is called Pradeshika. The collectors working under Pradeshikas are called Sthanikas. Governor of forts are called, that is a local administrative area of both. The governors of forts are called Durgapala Governors of frontiers, that is outermost boundaries, are called Antapala. The accountant general is called Akshapatala, and the scribes are called Lipikaras. And the next administrative unit is the military. The commander in chief of the entire army in the Mauryan Empire is Senapati. The Senapati is appointed by the king, and he is next to the king and enjoy the power next to the king in the kingdom of Mauryan Empire. The military is divided into 5 units, that is infantry, cavalry, chariots, elephant forces, navy, and transport and provisions systems. The army salary is paid in cash. Next unit is the revenue system. The chief of the revenue are called Samharta. Another important official from the revenue department is called Sannidata. Revenue is collected on land, irrigation, shops, customs, forests, ferry, mines, and pastures. License fee is collected from the artisans. The fines are charged in the local courts, and the amount is received by the government, that is Mauryan Empire, through the tax collectors. The police, all the main centers of the Mauryan Empire has got headquarters, and jail was called in Mauryan Empire as Bandangara, and lockup was known as in the Mauryan Empire as Charaka. Espionage, the spy system. The spy system is very well developed in the Mauryan Empire, and the spies are of 2 types. One spies that is remain stationary, they are called Sanstha spies, and another type of spies who migrate and spy in different areas, they are called Sancharika spies. They are all controlled by Mahamatras. The agents are picked from different regions of the different societies for the purpose of this spying. There are also the separate type of women who are poisonous in nature, and they are poisonous spies, and they are also called Vishakanyas. The transport system. We have already discussed that the transport system is military, maintained by themselves, and provisions are taken by themselves. They used to have their own ways in making the ways for their movement. But here in the public life, that is in the social field, the transport system arrange the width of the chariots, and also arrange the lanes for the cattle, arrange the lanes for the pedestrians, and they form the such roads for the purpose of transport in the kingdom of Mauryan Empire.